the home, and today I'm looking around the windows and the brick, and I wanted to show this because this is important. You see, this is my brick ledge here, and this all looks good right in through here, but where my concern is this right here. Let me go back over here so I'm not so much in my own shadow here. But see how my caulking is peeling away here, and you can barely tell here, this brick is almost flat. It doesn't really, so any snow or water is going to sit up on top of this. And what happens is being brick is just only a veneer, meaning it's a wood structure home with brick for siding basically. And so what happens is this water gets in here, or snow sits up in here, and then what gets up in here and then comes back into the home. And then when it does is it goes down into here, down inside the wall. Now you can't see this until it actually creates mold or weather damage or any kind of moisture problems. It could even be a termite attractor. Termites love dark, damp spots. So this is a simple fix, folks. Just make sure, see, these are my shutters. Let me back up here, let you see. This is a shutter here of the window, and these are really nice shutters, and people have really taken great care of their house. They just didn't realize that this is how important this is. So this is important. I want you to make sure that this gets caulked so you don't get snow and water, any kind of issues into that. Thank you for watching our videos. If we could ever be of service, please give us a call. Galloway Building Services. Thank you very much.